criminal dictation start. This quote is a long line of cases has given wider meaning to the word consent is the context of sexual offences as explained in various judicial dictionaries full stop. A woman who is a victim of sexual assault is not an accomplice to the crime full stop. Her evidence cannot be tested with suspicion as that of an accomplice full stop. As a matter of fact, the evidence of the prosecutrix is similar to the evidence of an injured complainant or witness full stop. The testimony of prosecutrix, if found to be reliable by itself, may be sufficient to convict the culprit, and no corroboration of her evidence is necessary full stop. In prosecutions of rape, the law does not require corroboration full stop. It is only by way of abandonment the law does not require corroboration full stop. It is only by way of abundant caution that court may look for some corroboration so as to satisfy its conscience and rule out any false accusations full stop. In examining the evidence of the prosecutrix, the courts must be alive to the conditions prevalent in the Indian society and must not be swayed by beliefs in other countries full stop. The courts must be sensitive and responsive to the plight of the female victim of sexual assault full stop. The stigma that attaches to the victim of rape in Indian society ordinarily rules out the leveling of false accusations full stop. The observations made in the case of so and so must be kept in mind invariably while dealing with a rape case full stop. The contention on behalf of the respondent that no alarm was raised by the prosecutrix at the bus stand or the other places where she was taken, and that creates serious doubt about truthfulness of her evidence, overlooks the situation in which the prosecutrix was placed full stop. She had been kidnapped by two adult males. One of them, A1, wielded firearm and threatened her, and she was taken away from her village and kept in a rented room for many days where A1 had sexual intercourse with her full stop. Whenever she asked A1 for return to her village, she was threatened and her mouth was gagged full stop. The absence of alarm by her at the public place cannot lead to an inference that she had willingly accompanied A1 and A2 full stop. The circumstances made her submissive victim, and that does not mean that she was inclined and willing to intercourse with A1 full stop. She had no free act of the mind during her stay with A1 as she was under constant fear full stop. Although there are certain contradictions and omissions in her testimony, but such omissions and contradictions are minor, and on material aspects her evidence is consistent full stop.